So you'll have to drill 2 holes here, which you can plug with a, I think it's a 1-inch rubber grommet like that. Kind of fold this over so it's sideways. These are needed because the pillar here doesn't have these holes on US or Canada cars. It has the manual fixed location right here for our, where the Canada mount bolts, but it doesn't have the top and the bottom for the adjustable. So if you can do that, that's step 1. Step 2, you'll have to cut, there's a little tab here for the automatic belts. You'll have to cut a tab a little bit higher, and then the manual belt set will bolt into this top hole right here. So you want to put this in here and the tab like that, and then you can screw in the bottom. That secures that. And then the trim piece, there's a hole here that already exists, and then you'll have to drill another hole for the bottom trim right here for the plastic push pin for the upper trim piece. The bottom trim piece just holds, kind of clamps around the pillar here. I thought this was the easiest way to do it. Otherwise you'd have to like cut in here, kind of behind this, to maybe possibly access up here and get a nut behind there or something. Same at the bottom, like cut out the center section and then, you know, feed a nut in that way. But I figured this was the easiest, not the prettiest, but you know, I can always seal this up. And then you know, this is no different than the factory one here. There's a plug, or the door light switch is a plug. It doesn't impact the structural strength of this pillar, I hope. But yeah, there's just not enough material in there to simply thread it and then bolt the seatbelt track to it. So this is just what has to be done. I'll go in there like that.